welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over your balance sheet statements in the company and financial reports. The balance sheet is a statement of the assets, liabilities, and capital of your business at a particular point in time and reflects your financial position at a specific date. The balance sheet gets its balance from the accounting equation assets minus liabilities equals stockholders' equity. Okay, now let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the top bar navigation and click Reports. On the left-hand sidebar, click Company and Financials to expand, then select your balance sheet. Okay, here is your standard balance sheet. You can customize your date range up at the top. Not only can you view your balance sheet by totals, you can also format your columns up at the top by week, by month, as well as by quarter. You can also customize your balance sheet to show a prior year comparison, a percent in change, and a change in dollars. This helps to show the fluctuations between the periods selected. If you utilize classes and divisions, you can view a segmented balance sheet by using the Balance Sheet by Class report. Also, if you want to view your balance sheet by financial account category, you can do so in the Balance Sheet Summary report. This report will show the totals of financial account in aggregate by category. If you need to print your report or export to Excel, you can do so by clicking on the icons in the top right-hand corner. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.